to Sugar's Delight. Do you know what I'm going to do today? I'm going to unbox the brand new iPhone SE version 2. It's cost effective that the Apple company released. It has 3 colors, black, white and red. I have black here. And it also has 3 memory spaces, 64 GB, 128 GB and 256 GB. I've opted the 128 GB. I'm going to unbox it. I'm so excited. Ooh, see, it's iPhone. Ooh. This is the SIM card opening pin, and ooh, there are some stickers, Apple stickers, and some Apple phone pamphlets that come in different languages, and the Apple user manual. Ooh, see? This is the phone. It's wrapped with a plastic paper. It's so weightless and it's so small that it's easy to hold, and you know, it could be easily fitting in your pocket, and the edges are so smooth. It's easy to hold. It's only 140 grams weight, you know that? It's black color, and see, there's the Apple symbol and the one camera. Looks cool. And it also comes with an earpod with the lightning connector, the lightning USB cable, and the USB power adapter. It's covered with paper. I'm gonna activate the phone and then show you. See, the phone is now activated. I'm going to show you the camera. See, that's the back camera. This is the front camera. It's here. And the screen is 4.7-inch wide. It is so cool. And it's the brand new model of iPhone, as I said. I'm going to check the rear view camera. Looks cool and perfect. It's fast processing, and it has the A13 chip, which is the newest. This is the Retina display, so it appears very clear, and I can record 4K videos with this. And you know, it has the buttons, all the buttons, the volume up and volume down button, and the switch on button and everything. I've come down to check the quality of the camera. This is the front camera. It is 7 megapixel and the rear camera is 12 megapixels. It's at the white deck now. The quality is so clear. It's the stereo recording. This is with the natural sunlight. So beautiful. I love this iPhone. It is good clarity. The video recording is so clear. See the sunlight. This is the 4K video recording in the rear camera with the natural sunlight. I'm zooming in and out. The flowers look so beautiful. It looks so cool. And look at the sky. The sun is going to set in the evening time. One of my most favorite applications on the iPhone is GarageBand. It consists of different types of pianos. I'm going to play one of my favorite tunes. The sound clarity will be very clear, and you can try to find out what tune I am playing. I played Mary Had a Little Lamb. If your answer was correct, tell me in the comments below. The sound clarity was clear, so see, I'm going to change one of the ringtones. Ooh, cool. You can see the speakers. I'm going to close it. See, you can see the difference of volume. I'm going to change the ringtone. By the seaside. It really feels like I'm in the seaside. Summit. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the iPhone unboxing video. You can also get this iPhone and enjoy its qualities. Please like, share, and never ever forget to subscribe. Bye!